you'll need to configure your store policies before selling any products. And Shopify makes it super easy to set up those policies. Let's start by going to Settings in the bottom left. Then scroll down and go to Policies. Here, we can create our policies from the Shopify templates by clicking on Insert Template. Now, before you save these, make sure you read through the policy template and customize them to fit your specific store details. You'll also notice that there's no template available for the shipping policy, as that varies between stores, so be sure to configure that along with your contact information. And now we'll want to add these policies to the footer menu of our store. So let's close the settings and go back to Content and then Menus. Now click on Footer menu. And here we can add all the store policies that we just created. Once you're done adding in your policies, click Save. Now let's go back to the store editor. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Then click on the small drop-down arrow next to the footer. Here we'll add a new block. We'll choose the menu block. And just like that, we now have the footer menu and our store policies displayed at the bottom of our store.